transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. At the request of the Dothan Police. 50% been activated. The Dothan Police have
The confirmed child abduction that occurred at 1320 Sibley Boulevard in Dothan at 7:35 a.m. Grade an A. Water is in a milk. Black.